Hey guys, welcome back to another brand new video. In this video, I'm going to talk about the situation that is happening in the Consummate problem, which was allegedly when it first popped out. It was allegedly said that the prop firm was founded by Happy Forex and his co-founder was Jeffrey Benson. So the news of them departing as the co-founder got many people confusing. So let's read out what he tweeted on X, formerly known as Twitter. With strong sense of duty and integrity, we announce our departure as co-founders of Consummate Traders. At first, we thought they were the founders of Consummate Traders. So blah blah blah. It was a tough one to let go emotionally after so much effort and dedication to build this on the platform. So only right we resigned for our community's sake and also for our long-term vision in the forex industry. Bro, people actually made us believe this actually you people's profile. And number two, this Consummate, my honest review on this Consummate should be the worst prop firm. Like, it's one of the worst prop firm in the trading industry, in the trading space, which have the worst slippage. They slip you down to the bottomless pit. The worst commission and the worst spread. And this Consummate also has, the owners of this Consummate also has a broker called Quaco Market. This should be the worst broker too. So having a broker and you also have a profile looks very shady and is a very big red flag. So let's talk about the second one, the Quaco Market. Quaco Market also has the worst spread and worst commission and is on an unregulated broker. So what do you really expect from it? They will run one day. So as for the co-founders leaving the firm, it means that this firm is going to close, and many people are having issues of pending withdrawals, account being closed, all this kind of thing. So let's read through some of the comment section. No, we are not reading. I don't think it's necessary to read it. So what am I even saying? So to these two guys, Happy and Jeffrey Benson, you guys should know that these people trusted you people, not me. I didn't trust you people because I saw you people's trading as kind of sketchy and shady. So I don't really trust you people based on the over leverage, high risk, almost risking almost everything in your account using an unregulated broker, affiliated to unregulated broker. So all those accounts are marketing accounts based on what I've learned in being in this trading industry. So I think all those 80% of the chance, all those things are this thing are marketing accounts because of the high leverage and every other things. So many people have complained. So let's go to Trustpilot. Let's go to Trustpilot. Let's go to Trustpilot and see the reviews on Trustpilot. They are rated 3.3 stars, and they have 43% of 5 stars and 29% of 1 stars. So let's go to the first one. They disabled my funded account of 100k. They disabled my funded account of 100 plus my 2.5k USD profit because of the inconsistency rule that they didn't notice me of. Just took my account down for the exact reason I wasn't able to. They offered me 50% discount to my purchase. Blah blah blah. Great Christmas discount. Thinking not to buy or not, but I just want to buy back and run this on this. Fake reason discount. I post both videos on my face too, and so you can see the bunch of good and bad reviews on this. So that's why I don't really think. So what's my take on this? I think this film is about to close. So if you have anything to do with this film, please just end it before this month, before these remaining weeks of this year, remaining week of this year to run out. So I think this film might close around January. I don't think this film will survive till March of next year. So nice one, nice whipping. You ripped a lot of newbies. You ripped them. Checking out. I don't really like all this lifestyle. Doesn't really move me. So I checked out most of this guy Jeffrey's post on Instagram when he was still affiliated to Quaco. Now he's affiliated to SNS. SNS is a regulated broker. Kind of. Let's just check it out. Number one, his trading looks shady. Number two, I don't know why he loves covering his stuff. And he wants to show his real account. Why is he covering it? Based on if you log in your account into Meta 5, your password will not show. I don't know why he's covering it. And number two, forgetting what I was about to say. So thank you guys. Thank you for working with Consummate. Because initially you said you were the founder, but I don't know how you found and turned to co-founder. If a co-founder leaves his business, almost 80 to 90% chance the business of him is closing. So you guys should get out with your money. Get out now. And the way they announced it on Instagram was so stupid. Very, very disgusting. I don't see any, after going through these tweets, I don't see any reasonable thing that made them to leave the film. But kudos to them. Anything they do, that's their business. So thank you guys for watching.